I think everyone should study history. It teaches us about people's backgrounds and why they hold the views they do and do the things they do.
It's constantly being re-evaluated and reassessed with a modern lens, and it's a constantly changing field.
The study of history is really connected to all other subjects as both the context and the content. It's about understanding our world and changing it for the better.
People think of Sheffield and they think of industrial history and industrial heritage. But when I got to Sheffield, I discovered there was a lot more. I was really inspired by the Sheffield Castle project that really taught us about medieval Sheffield beyond that industrial heritage.
But then going out into the Peak District, there's so many examples. The Kinder Scout Trespass inspired the creation of the first national park, and then you've got Chatsworth House. It makes studying history in the area so much more interesting.
When people ask what areas of history we cover in the department, I always want to emphasize the breadth of what we can do. We give students the option and the opportunity to study a wide range of geographies and societies, but also different places in chronology. We have specialists in every area from 20th century British and European and American history back to ancient Egyptian and Mesopotamian history.
You don't have a linear approach to history. You get a chance to really tailor your degree to your interests, whether that's a specific period or a specific thematic approach. And you really get to explore that and learn what you like in history.
I love that you can get involved in so many public history projects. Volunteering at the museum and other projects around the city is such an important part of studying history and such an important part of looking to your future career.
A degree in history makes you good at doing research. It makes you good at doing analysis. It makes you good at writing and speaking. A degree in history is really a doorway into whatever career you want to pursue.